Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use melee weapons on bikes in GTA 5 PS4. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the requirements in order to use melee weapons on bikes in GTA 5 PS4 is that you need to have a bike and melee weapons which can be wielded single-handedly. If it is double-handed, then it won't work on the bikes, but once you have a single-handed melee weapons, it can be used on bikes. So the next thing that you need to do is just get on the bike, and then once you are there, hold on X, which lets your character to move left or right. And once you do that, once you press X and keep on holding and then press R1, then it will swing to the left and then fire the corresponding weapon, or if you don't have a weapon, it will kick or punch. And once you press R1, the corresponding actions will do to the right. And that's basically how to use melee weapons on bikes in GTA. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.